Oh no. Oh no. 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 Listen, you bloated bag of fuck pus. Can't you pick on anyone your own goddamn size? Don't you touch that cat. Don't even fucking look at her, you chicken cunt. You already tried this fuck shit 2 years ago. And why are you even wearing that Santa hat? Christmas is over, you stupid piss ass. And another thing. Oh. Wow. You actually got her a present. Wow. Yeah. That was that was actually really nice of you. Thanks. Hey, what happens when you pull the little tail? Hello, YouTube. Zach Nafeen Aconite here, and we are so back. I kind of already mentioned it on Instagram a bunch of times. You've seen it here and there, but actually, I basically retired this original version of my Art the Clown mask, which I did make. Okay, this is my mask. I sculpted it. I even signed it. I signed all my copies. But as well as I also had to switch the mask strap, just because this was more substantial than my first attempt. Because I now have better materials to work with, mainly as far as the mold makings. And as a result, I have a better mask. Oh, and special thanks to my mom for getting that fake blood out of my sweater. Love you. I guess I can show how I made it over all the just me talking and shit. But before I do that, this is just paper mache stand that I make for the masks to just rest on. I wouldn't do this after you've just worn them and it's all sweaty and shit, but I got the idea to make this after seeing the way the guys from Slipknot have little plastic vacuum formed stands for their masks and everything. I think that would happen during an interview between Corey Taylor and Larry King. But yeah, no, this was basically made the same way as the other one, only as I was sculpting it, I used a different plaster. I used something called Ultra Cal 30, and it's like the Giga Chad of plasters. Like, this stuff is basically cement. And that's really the only way to know whether or not your mold is meant to last, or if it's just going to be another damn mildew magnet. Like plaster of Paris, because, yeah, no, that was... Ugh. Nasty. I knew when I sculpted this, I wanted it to have a bigger nose, you know, like a cross between every Italian and Jewish guy ever, maybe. The paint job itself is also done with actual, like, proper mask paint. It's house paint, it's distilled water, and it's the latex that I pour the masks with. All mixed 1/3 of each, and I coat this with like 3 layers, 3 coats of the white stuff. I go over it with the black, and I knew when I sculpted this, I also wanted the overbite like he has in the movie, even though the teeth themselves probably could have been sculpted a little better. Who knows? Maybe in another 2 years' time, I'll have an even better looking design than this one here, because even just comparing the two, like, it's night and day, man. This one looks a little like Quagmire. Giggity. But I'm definitely stoked with how this new one came out. It's honestly a lot better than some of the shit you see at Spirit Halloween, which the fact that he's even, you know, Damien Leone, which I've met him, by the way, he really has even if you're not into horror, like, I just gotta say, this damn franchise he's made is just fucking phenomenal. He hasn't sold out to big Hollywood. He's done it all himself, you know. He's like a one-man band doing it, well, until the third one happened and he kind of needed a bigger crew. And I love the fact that he's pissing off all the snowflakes, saying that the movies are apolitical, which we really need that energy now, man. Funny how it's usually the leftoids that are that pissed about him saying that. And he works with all the TDS types. Also, Luna's completely fine. Hi, girl. The Santa hat was just something I found over on Amazon, and I covered it with permablood on all the white spots. See, the crown of thorns is something I sort of put together last minute. I was gonna attempt the broken glass and barbed wire that's also on Sienna's, but this was the best I was gonna get. And this is literally just some paper mache with foam clay layered over it, and then I plastic dipped it because I have a wild pussy. And she's got a bit of a foam addiction, so I try and keep her alive and safe with liquid rubber in a can. As funny as that sounds. But yeah, once you plastic dip it with the black stuff, you can basically paint it with whatever paint and then seal it with the clear stuff, which is what this is. And then the Santa beard is just a triangle of gray and black faux fur with like an elastic band on it. I actually fit this over my chin under the mask, and it just kind of hangs above my hair tie on my ponytail, which you can even still see that lump under the head cover, which is kind of interesting. I doubt this is how they did it for the movie, but I'm on a budget, so it is what it is. And before I end this video, I guess I should show you this. I didn't make this. My brother actually gave it to me for Christmas, and it's Sienna Shaw's dagger. He made it out of poplar wood, something he must have found over at Home Depot, but it's basically meant to look exactly like the one in the film, as far as his reference pictures would allow. And when I got it and I unwrapped it, he doesn't watch the movies, so I don't know if this reference went or what, but he saw me open this, and as soon as I saw the handle, I was just like, best gift ever. Because if you know, you know, and yeah, I don't think he knows. Still a fun memory, though. I'm looking to upload more often. This is definitely a video that I have been meaning to get to for a while now. I know it's fucking late. Would have been cooler around Christmas time, but I made it work. You know, I roasted him for being dressed like that during Christmas. It just kind of is what it is. But hey, at least I still upload more than Michael Reeves, right? Anyway, if you like, please like. Feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you're new. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. And I love you all. Get over here! That might be it. Don't you touch that cat! Hi, Luna. I'm in character. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Yeah. Listen. Oh, I gotta walk over first. You're in my way. You're in my way, Luna. Come on. Atta girl. Listen, you bloated bag of fuck pus. I'm dripping all over my goddamn script. What the fuck, man?